Hello everyone, welcome to Space Engine. This is an open world universe sandbox, well not sandbox, where you can like go to different planets and stuff. And yeah, we're gonna be checking out some planets, stars, moons, black holes, maybe, if I braven up. But yeah, anyways, let's begin. Here's Earth, our humble abode, I guess. Here's where we all live. Me, you, your mom, my cow. I don't even have a cow. Uh, but yeah, this is where everything takes place, even this recording. So yeah. So we're in the Milky Way, and it's very nice. Yeah. So let's just look around. That looks a cool. That looks a cool. Ew. Okay, so this doesn't have a atmosphere. It does. It has a slight atmosphere. That is a water world. And clouds. No clouds. Okay, no clouds. But this one looks cool. You can see the craters of asteroids that hit it. Let's see how it look. Wow, very nice. So, yeah. Very nice indeed. Yeah, that's a water world. I don't like water worlds. I don't know. What about you? No. No. What? I was just... Strange. I think this is Orion's belt? I'm not sure. I could be an idiot. But maybe. I'm pretty sure. Click. Or is that Orion? I don't know. Comment down below. Maybe this is Orion. And I'm just stupid. There's the, there's two galaxies. There's one. No, wait. There's a galaxy and there's a galaxy. Nice. What's this? This is another galaxy. Oh. What are you? What's your name? What's your name? Andromeda? What about you? No. You. As a whole. Flip. What's your name? Sorry. Triglyum. Triglyum. That's a cool nebula. It stands out. Damn. Like, look. It's huge. Damn. Uh-huh. Dang it. That's a white dwarf? What? That's a white dwarf? I thought I wasn't. Huh? I actually thought that was a, what do you call it? A black hole, because the black hole also has, like, that thing. Also, we got a planet with aerial life as well. Hello. How's it going? What's up, bro? Hey, hot sun. How hot is your star, anyways? Damn, it's pretty hot. Pretty hot. What's that? What's that? Is that a volcano? Yes, it is. Okay. May I land on you? May I? I think I may. Thank you. Oh, I don't like that. Go, 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 go. I don't like that. It's very awkwardly flat. I don't like it. This game scares me sometimes. Like one time, I think I remember I was playing once and I found a black hole, but it was like a very small black hole. I was looking at it, and then when I turned back, then this goodness flippin' hell, this big star behind the black hole just freaking jump scared me. I literally fell out of my chair. So that's why I think I maybe have megalophobia. I'm not sure. It may be. Yeah. Anyways, these things are not loading. Why are they not loading? Oh, not again. Okay, just wait a sec. Okay, there we go. I think it works. I literally needed to reload the game, like exit the game. Then yeah, and then I needed to relaunch it. What's that? Is that a star? I want to see. Please. It is. That's a very lonely star. Never mind. There are stars up here. What's the most lonely star? You maybe? What are you? That's a galaxy. Let's go check it out. Oh. Is this a real thing? Wait. Yeah, it is. Oh. Let's look around. Hello, hello, hello. There's a black hole. Ooh. Ooh, star. Hmm? Aerolith. Damn. Aerolith. Holy horn. There's a, whoa. That looks so cool, bro. Wait, let's find a star. Let's find a star. That is a white dwarf again. Alright. What about you? Are you gonna burn your planets to death? No. Rome, Neptune, Aquara, Mini Neptune. Sub-ocean, hot air. Yeah, there we go. Meow. Okay, yeah. Can I land on you, please? May I? Is that mountains? I think those are mountains. Yes, they are. Yes. Doom. You can't really see the galaxy. Wait, where is it? There's the galaxy. There it is. And then... No, you can't really see it. But when you go out of its atmosphere, then you can perfectly see it. That's so cool. Very bright. Very nice indeed. Very nice. Yes, there's the galaxy. Andromeda Galaxy. Very nice. Let's go out into the universe. Let's go. I'm going very fast. And I don't think I'm moving. Now I'm moving. Alright, let's go. Brum. Alright, so first things first. All of these little dots that you see here are galaxies, not stars. We are not in a galaxy currently. So let's just go to this one. Very nice indeed. Very white, actually. Sorry that my voice is like, you know? But my mom said that my voice is starting to break. So that could be, maybe. I don't know. Could be. Yeah. Let's see. Well, let's just look around. Ooh, life. Oh, I almost missed you. Aerial life. Nice. What? That's a very hot planet. Alright, I didn't know that I was still going that fast. that. Well. 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 No. Please, 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 please. Thank you. Life? So glacial. Yeah. Mini Aquaria. Wow. Subglacial. So subglacial life is basically like. Ooh, there's a planet, I think. It's basically so there's ice on that moon. Under the ice, there's life. So not on it exactly. It's like under the ice. Man, I should shut up. Sometimes I confuse myself when I talk. There's this freaking fly in my vision, bro. It's very annoying. Ooh, yellow. Hello, hello, Mr. Yellow. You are very yellow. Damn, bro. No, you're not. No, that's Cometros. Clouds. What? Why do you do that? Why do you do that? Hmm? Whoa. Okay, with very yellow. For some reason it does that. Is that a hurricane? That looks like a tornado, maybe. Hurricane. Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water, H2O, water. This gravity is very similar to Earth. Yeah. 15 minutes of 17% Earth similarity. Oh. Let's just fiddle around. Let's see which one looks cool. You. Huh? Why? You're a binary system, stupid. 12 moons! moons! What? How do you have 16 moons? Damn, I'm an idiot. I was there. What? You have 16 moons. Oh. Okay then. Alright then. Hello. Air life. Subglacial. Damn it. Before this video ends, let's just land on them. Let's just land somewhere there. Let's go. Whoa. What? Why was that timing so right with this freaking music? Yo. There's the planet! There's the planet! Okay, wait. Woo! Getting a picture of that. Let's just have a round of applause for that. Damn. That looks so good. That looks so good. That is very cool. This game is really cool. I must say, it's very cool. But that is going to be the end of our video, of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.